IELTS Writing Task 1 necessitates the mastery of accurately reporting facts. The task involves the reporting of factual information comprising data and figures provided in a graph, chart, or table. Demonstrating proficiency in language and achieving a higher score is made possible when the ability to report facts is displayed in an accurate manner. The focal point of this presentation is to provide an in-depth understanding of the fundamental tactics involved in reporting facts in IELTS Writing Task 1. This will involve a comprehensive analysis of the given prompts, strategically organizing the reported facts, skillfully incorporating data and figures, and utilizing complex sentence structures to accurately present the facts. By the end of this session, you will have a solid understanding of the most effective techniques for delivering accurate and concise reports. To ensure accurate reporting of facts, it is crucial to begin with a clear comprehension of the prompt. It is necessary to discern the exact type of graphical representation, whether it be a graph, chart, or table, in order to thoroughly identify the key details which must be conveyed. For instance, if the prompt displays a bar chart outlining the quantity of cars sold across various countries, it is essential to recognize and specify the different countries and types of cars involved, as well as the exact number of cars sold in each region. After pinpointing the crucial details, it is important to direct your attentions toward the trends and patterns presented within the data. This will aid in accurately reporting the facts and presenting a comprehensive overview of the information at hand. By analyzing the data in this way, you can identify the major themes and draw meaningful conclusions that can be presented effectively. Effectively arranging the content of your report is undeniably essential to guarantee the coherent and logical presentation of information. To achieve this, one can utilize well-constructed paragraphs to differentiate the various aspects of data, including any trends, comparisons, and exceptional findings. At the same time, interconnecting these paragraphs with efficient linking words and phrases can aid in establishing a fluid and seamless flow of information. Such techniques will help guarantee a more comprehensive and intelligible report for the readers. To present your report in a clear and structured manner, it is important to consider the sequence of information. One approach is to organize the information in a logical order. This could involve beginning with an overall summary of the data, providing the reader with an initial sense of what to expect. Following this, you may choose to highlight the most significant trends that emerge from your analysis. By drawing the reader's attention to these key findings, you can help them to understand the implications of the information you are presenting. Finally, you may wish to focus on the exceptions or outliers that are present in the data, providing a more nuanced perspective on the information you have gathered. This sequencing can help ensure that the reader is able to follow the report in a structured and well-reasoned manner. When it comes to reporting data and figures, choosing the right words to describe trends and make comparisons is of utmost importance. To express changes in the data, you can make use of adjectives such as significant, sharp, gradual, and slight. These words will help you to convey the magnitude of change in a more explicit manner. Moreover, it is recommended that you use language that compares the data between different categories or time periods. With comparative language, you can highlight any notable differences and similarity between the data sets, thereby making it easier for the audience to grasp the key takeaways. However, it's essential to exercise caution while experimenting with new or complex words, as you don't want to end up confusing the reader with unnecessarily complicated language. Finally, ensure that any expansions or additions to the original text are kept within a reasonable limit. so as to avoid bloating the message with unnecessary verbosity. In addition to that, it is crucial for you to exercise caution while deciphering the information and refrain from making conjectures or sweeping statements. Your primary aim should be to communicate only what is explicitly depicted in the visual aid, be it a diagram, a chart, or a table, and not to introduce your own judgment or predisposition into the report. It is imperative that one utilizes intricate sentence structures when depicting factual information in IELTS Writing Task 1. In order to effectively communicate the data, an assortment of sentence structures such as simple, compound, and complex sentences should be employed. Furthermore, to convey the relationships between the information, sufficient command of grammar and vocabulary is necessary. Subordinate clauses can be used to add supplementary details related to the data, which can include explanations for certain trends, causation of the outcomes, and the associated impacts. Additionally, it is recommended to utilize suitable academic terminology to elaborate on the data, like fluctuate to describe variations, peak to signify the maximum point, bottom out to indicate the fall into the lowest point, and plateau to indicate a period of stability. Employing these strategies can help showcase your level of language proficiency and convey the information with precision. Being able to report facts accurately is an essential proficiency to acquire when it comes to IELTS Writing Task 1. It is highly recommended to examine the given prompt thoroughly, structure your report in a coherent manner, utilize relevant data and statistics appropriately, and incorporate intricate sentences to effectively communicate the data. Keeping up a regular practice of these techniques is crucial in order to enhance both your precision and fluency in this area. It is important to emphasize the significance of precision whilst attempting IELTS Writing Task 1. Keeping in mind several useful strategies, you can confidently present the facts as they are and thereby increase your prospects of obtaining a superior score in the examination.